Hi, in front of me is VIVO Y17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off its location. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Location to turn it on or off. You can also go into Shortcut menu by swiping up from the bottom left corner. Look for Location shortcut and when you find it, click on it to manage location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!